Hi, this is Mel. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to talk about black grapes. As you all know, that grapes are really nutritious, just like all other fruits and vegetables. Now, fruits and vegetables are the best thing in this world, and we can only attain good health through fruits and vegetables, mainly organic, homegrown. So years back when people used to grow their fruits and vegetables, they were very healthy. So they have two health benefits: one, working in their farm, which is the physical exercise, getting enough sunlight, working underneath the direct sun, getting all the vitamin D, and then eating healthy, nutritious, organic food, homegrown. So, as you know, whatever was there thousands of years ago, and that is what is true. So, grapes, especially the long black grapes. Now, if you see those long black grapes and if you eat them, you'll see they are very less sweet and they're more fibery. Their skin is really hard, and they're really good. So, you still need to ask your doctor if you have diabetes and if you can eat it or not. But beside that, I'm just going to list the black grapes benefits, and I love them. The long ones are like so much fiber in it and so less sweet. Like most sugary ones, the red ones, and then the green ones sometimes sour, but the long black ones are really great, lot of fiber. So they are great for your skin, and because it has proanthocyanin, and also it's really great for your skin because it has resveratrol, which protects your skin from getting sunburn, and it also removes the white or black pigmentation. Like there are if some people has white or black pigmentation on the skin, face, or anywhere, that they eat black grapes regularly, it will go away. Also, it is high in vitamin C, so it's good for skin and for wrinkles, so it won't let wrinkles come on the face or body. Any kinds of fruits and vegetables are best for keeping us healthy, strong, and youthful looking. And what is youthfulness? Youthfulness is having the energy, having the ability to do work and be active and be happy. That is youthful. So we get that from fruits and vegetables mainly. If you can compare yourself, eat a bowl of fruits or vegetable soup one day, and just that day eat fruits and vegetable, and next day eat lot of meat, you will see comparatively you're going to be very sleepy, dull, lethargic, less energy the day you eat meat, but you're going to be very energetic and happy mood the day you eat fruits and vegetables. Simply because when you eat fruits and vegetable, you eat it and within an hour or two you go to empty out your stomach, you go number 2, number 1, whatever, but it cleans you up. It's like a broom sweeps inside your intestine and your colon and everything. But you eat meat, it just sits in there for days. It's so hard to digest, and in order to digest fruits and vegetable, you don't take so much energy out of the body. and you just digest it, and right away you go empty it out, and you're done, and you're hungry for your next meal, and you use up the quick energy to run around and work. If you eat meat, it takes up so much energy from your body to digest that, and then you're so tired and lethargic, like you want to have to sleep because you have to let that food digest. So there is a huge difference. That's why yogis only eat fruits and vegetables, and they have all the nutrients the body need, and especially kale, spinach, all these green leafy, they are loaded with protein. If you see a lot of people who has gout, who cannot eat protein like meat and stuff, if they eat even spinach, and they have the same problem, if they eat spinach, they still will have gout. Why? Because the spinach is equally have protein just like the meat. So you see, it's not just the dead animal meat has protein. Protein is in all the fruits and vegetables. Like when we go to a forest and there's a tiger sees us, I'm like, if we are two friends, one vegetarian, one meat eater, the tiger going to say that I'm going to eat the meat eater one, not the vegetarian eater one, because if I eat the person who eats meat, I might get more protein. Tiger does not say that. To tiger, whether you eat vegetables or whether you eat meat, you are still a source of food, and that's what it is. So the whole protein is, I think, just like the yogi says, whole protein thing is just a joke. So it's in the fruits and vegetables and greens. Green leafies have a lot. On lentils, the dry beans, this called red lentils, masoor dal. Is red lentils. You can buy it from Indian grocery stores, and they're red looking, tiny. You can find it other store too, called red lentils, masoor dal. And if you boil that lentils and eat it, that's going to give you a lot of protein. But the people who has gout, they cannot eat that because it's just pure protein. So the grapes are very high in vitamin C, so it's good for your heart, good for your body, good for your skin, and it also gives a boost in new skin cell generation. Also, it makes the skin like tight, so you don't see wrinkles or saggy skin, and makes you look youthful. Also, it's very good for your face because it is full of antioxidants, so it doesn't let face get pimples and all that. So people who has pimple problem, this long black grapes is really good. Now grape seeds, like big globe grapes, the black one, those globe grape seeds are really good. The seeds are full of antioxidant, and I never throw away a single seed, whether it's red or green or other. I always eat the seed, because you see most of the fruits, animals, when they eat it, they do not throw away the seed. They eat it with the seed and the skin. So I don't know why human does it, unless it's a big huge seed. Grapeseed oil is really good. So a lot of people put grapeseed oil, they cook, they massage their body, they put in their face, and grapeseed oil totally stops wrinkles. If you have suffering with wrinkle problem, use olive oil and grapeseed oil, mix daily, maybe coconut oil too, and massage your body. There won't be any wrinkles. And it's great for hair. You can use grapeseed oil, olive oil again, and coconut oil, 3 oil mix, and massage your hair. And that's really good for blood circulation in the hair growth, stop the hair fall. And So grapeseed oil is amazing for hair, amazing for the skin. It makes the hair very thick and long and shiny and beautiful, stops the hair fall and stops the graying of the hair earlier, and also a lot of vitamin E and vitamin C, and it's good for blood circulation in the brain, so it makes the hair grow. Now, hair stays black for a long time, and then it prevents bone loss. So the long grapes are really good for people with osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, and black grapes have a lot of antioxidant. So it stops the body from the metabolic syndrome, and metabolic syndrome is what causes the diabetes. So what happens in metabolic syndrome is body started getting inflammation, and then as inflammation is the cause of all diseases. So in metabolic syndrome is happens a lot of people with osteoporosis, osteoarthritis. These are all diseases of the metabolic syndrome, chronic inflammation. And so black grapes prevents the inflammation. Also resveratrol in it, which stops the bone loss and increases bone density. So eating black grapes is daily good. Really, it's good for your spine, and black grapes reduces the risk of diabetes. But still, a person cannot eat a lot. Few. Everything is good in moderation. So few black grapes a day, and every day just few black grapes will do the trick. And black grapes is really good for keeping the blood sugar in check and keeping it in the right amount. And it makes the body sensitive to insulin, so it's really good for that. And a lot of places, people eat a lot of candy and sugar and sweet things. So because of eating like that continuously, there's a rush of insulin coming out to digest that sugar and balance it out. For that, people develop diabetes because of continuous eating of high carbohydrate food and sugar. But black grapes, just few of them daily, helps to balance it out. And since it has a lot of fiber, it's good for relieving constipation, and it's health for digestion. And fiber, as we know, really great for us. So that's why whenever we eat any fruits or vegetable, we should get organic and wash it and eat it with the skin, so we get the benefit of the skin. It's full of fiber and makes your brain work. Black grapes is great for concentration, increasing your intelligence, keeping you youthful, and good for memory and overall brain functions. It's really good. As people get old, they tend to forget and develop Alzheimer. But black grapes, it has resveratrol. Alzheimer is actually nothing but inflammation in the brain. So black grapes stops that. As I mentioned, black grapes stops inflammation, and it has riboflavin, so it stops the migraine headache and prevents. And black grapes, one of the biggest thing, if you eat a few before sleeping, you sleep really good like a baby, because it has the melatonin And so every day, like 4 5 big those black grapes, not a lot, just a handful, 5 6 of them, and it fights the risk of cancer. So as we eat those black grapes with the seeds, it has antioxidant and carotenoids and polyphenol, resveratrol, and it's really great for preventing cancer. Does not let the body form cancerous cell, and it stops the body from making those free radicals. Free radicals what changes to cancerous. And so black grapes stops the free radicals. Black grapes are great for eyesight. Now people have problem with eyesight, especially diabetics. So ask your doctor though before you eat black grapes, and it should be 4 or 5 of them daily, not a whole bunch. Because eye disease is also caused by inflammation. Every disease in the body is caused by inflammation, and anything you can find natural things which stops the inflammation will stop the diseases. So black grapes has carotenoids and um, carotenoids, so it stops. Oh, it doesn't only have carotenoids, it has lutein and xanthocyanin, the antioxidants, which reduces stress in the body, in the eye, and it also reduces any kind of problem in the eye. Black grapes are really great for boosting the immune system and protects our body from catching all kinds of diseases. So black grapes are great for heart, and it keeps the blood pressure check and sugar check, and it's good for cholesterol because it has a lot of fiber, and it stops the hearts from getting any kind of cardiovascular diseases and heart attacks. Black grapes have quercetin, which is really good for our heart and keeps the arteries good flow of HDL, the good cholesterol, and lowers the bad one, LDL. So it stops, that's how it stops the heart attack, and it keeps the heart good. So as we can see, the black grapes have lot of polyphenol, resveratrol, and many other vitamin, mineral available in it. So it's really good for blood pressure, blood sugar, abdominal fat, cholesterol, triglycerides, and protects the heart from heart disease, stroke, and from type 2 diabetes. So as we saw today, that black grapes are really amazing, and just like this I'm going to do many other videos, hopefully on all other different fruits and vegetables. As I mentioned, fruits and vegetables are truly God sent things which are good for our body, and that's the only thing protects our body and heals our body. Just like they say, let food be thy medicine or savior. Okay, so thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more.